Are you a fast-paced, ambitious, entrepreneurial coach? If yes, then what I want you to do is watch this mercifully short video where we're showing you each and every day, delivered directly to your inbox, a short video showing you how we can build a process that will work time after time after time so that you can land consistently. You can learn the processes, the exact steps that we use to consistently land clients, high-ticket clients. Let's say if you need one, if you need 2, 3, 4, or 5, whatever amount that you can handle. And what we're going to do is we're doing this by the processes there that we've been showing you over the past few days. Now, if you haven't watched those videos, please go back and watch them. Now, what I promised you in the end of the video from 2 days ago, what that was showing you was how to set it up for the first 100 offers. And then, of course, I promised you some magic at the very end of the video. And this is the part there that I forgot. So anyway, I'm always good to my word. And what I want to do now is I want to show you very quickly the process, how easy it is that we can get these leads and we can take these leads and then we can start emailing the group number 2, group number 3, group number 4. And if you remember, what we've done is we've divided all of these groups into groups of 100, and the final group had more than 100 entries inside it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So I'm now sharing my screen with you, and what you can see is this is the first of these broadcasts that we've set up, that we've scheduled to go out to the first 100 people. Now remember, let's see the process now, how quickly and easy it is to set it up for the other groups. So what you do is you hover over here to the clone button, if you can see that highlighted on your screen, and then you press the clone. Then we clone it for A02. And now then let's look at the process. So here we click Save and Next. And you see here where it says mailing group contains A01. What I want you to do is I want you to replace that with A02. So custom field, mailing group is A02. Add. So you scroll down to the bottom, Save and Next. Scroll down to the bottom, Save and Next. And then schedule for later. So then let's schedule this one for Monday. And let's schedule this one for 15:55. That's the time that most people would normally be thinking about finishing work. So what you've just seen there, in a few short minutes, what we have done is we have carefully crafted our offer. We've prepared the broadcast emails. And now what we're going to do is we're going to schedule them so that they're going out each and every day over a 7-day period. In tomorrow's video, then what we're going to do is we're going to check the landing page. We've already built the perfect landing page. What we have to do now is make sure all of the components in the funnel are actually working properly. So we're going to go through the survey. This is the scored assessment quiz, and we're going to make sure that all of our ducks are lined up in a row so that everything is ready to go. And then what we're doing is we're just going out and asking people if they would be interested in coming and joining our waiting list. And then from there, if they would be interested in joining a discussion group on WhatsApp. And then after the discussion group, what we do is we ask them these 10 valuable questions where we get to find out what sort of challenges that they're currently facing in their business. So anyway, as always, I always end each and every video with these 2 questions. How many outstanding offers have you made today? As you can see, what we've done in this video is we've shown you how, step by step, how we can build it up to the process where we're sending out 100 carefully crafted offers, carefully curated offers every single day. And as we go on, of course, more people will be coming in because we're also advertising. We're also doing organic posts on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. So then more people will be coming in as more people become receptive to our messages. And then this is where it's all going to become really, really, really good. And the second question is, of course, how many times have you been rejected today? Now, remember, part of this process, some people will say no. Some people just don't like receiving offers, however helpful, however valuable, by email. Okay? So if that happens, and of course, we've got a process, a procedure in place to try to challenge this rejection. But we do embrace each and every single rejection. So set yourself daily rejection goals, weekly rejection goals, monthly rejection goals, quarterly rejection goals, and yearly rejection goals. Because it's very, very important. Once you set that metric, and then you think there to yourself, wow, you will see as you're getting better and better and better at positioning, at carefully, at craftily explaining this offer to your ideal targeted prospects. And then this will make a fundamental shift. Believe you me, a fundamental shift to the bottom line of your business. Okay. Anyway, this has been me, Paul, PG Mac, saying peace out, bye for now. And I will see you, as always, in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye-bye.